Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Santa Claus is coming through with the big tree. Season greetings to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching this Christmas holiday decor season on my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most realistic Christmas garland. As you can see, this is a real Christmas tree. I got it from my front yard, and today I'm going to use it to make a Christmas garland for my staircase. So this tree has been overgrown for quite some time, and I wanted to cut it, but I saved it for the holidays. So every Christmas I use branches from this tree to decorate my home. But there's something about these branches that I like. It doesn't dry up as quickly. So without saying much more, guys, let's just get right to the video now.
Falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, families' laughter fills the air, hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love, thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends, Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, families' laughter fills the air, hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love, thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends, Christmas time is here again.
Now I'm adding fairy lights, and I'll be adding some pepper lights as well. I know persons are going to ask me how long it lasts, but it usually lasts me for the entire season. And how do I preserve it? Most times I do nothing. Sometimes I use spray bottle and a little water just to sprit it. Depends on where I use it, just to keep it green and luscious. Sometimes I might put it in water if I'm gonna do a floral arrangement, but in most cases I do not use any water on it. So there you have it, guys, the most realistic Christmas garland that cost me $0. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like in the night.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights.
This is another garland I made from the same branches around the entrance mirror.
of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when
So this is another garland I made on a side table. This one is fake, but I added some of the real luscious green branches into it.
under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you.
Thank you guys for watching. That's it for now. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.